What's up guys? Windows 10 received an interesting update, but at the same time an update that will consume resources. Therefore, today I'm going to show you how to set up it and how to stop it. Of course, if you don't want to waste any resources on it. Also, please let me know in the comment section below what other helpful videos I should do. The new taskbar will appear after the latest Windows update on the right side of your taskbar. This new taskbar will manage the news and the weather for you. For the weather, it has the option to show the Fahrenheit or the Celsius degrees, and you can switch between those two by simply clicking on the degree symbol that you want. Just like I'm going to do it right now. To filter the news that you will receive, you will need to select the option Manage Interest, which will lead you to the website where you can choose them. To change the appearance or to turn off the new taskbar, you will need to right-click on the empty space of the taskbar and under the News and Interest option, you'll find the options to show only the icon or to turn it off completely. Of course, any icon from the desktop or from the taskbar of your Windows will consume some resources. Therefore, I will start closing them. Beside the new taskbar, I will also close Cortana and the Task View button by simply unselecting them, due to the fact that those probably will never be used. I hope this video was helpful for you, and don't forget to answer to the question what other helpful videos I should do. See you on the next video. Bye!